When several triangles overlap, and you need to use one pair of congruent triangles to prove another pair congruent, you may find it helpful to draw a diagram of each pair of triangles. Problem 4. Separating overlapping triangles. In a proof, given that segment CA is congruent to segment CE, and that segment BA is congruent to segment DE, prove that segment BX is congruent to segment DX. So we have our overlapping triangles, and we can consider separating them, as shown in the diagram. And then in a two-column proof, we would restate the given information in statements 1 and 2. And in statement 3, state that angle CAE is congruent to angle CEA because the base angles of an isosceles triangle are congruent. Statement 4, segment AE is congruent to segment AE by the reflexive property of congruence. Statement 5, triangle BAE is congruent to triangle DEA by side angle side. Statement 6, angle ABE is congruent to angle EDA by CPCTC. Statement 7, angle BXA is congruent to angle DXE because vertical angles are congruent. We've now established enough to state that triangle BXA is congruent to triangle DXE by angle side. And finally, what we're asked to prove in the first place, segment BX is congruent to segment DX by CPCTC. And your turn. Given this diagram and the information given, prove that segment BD is congruent to segment FD.